Setting up an online store is exciting, but have you thought about making it official by forming an LLC? It's a smart way to protect your personal assets and give your business a professional edge. But don't worry, it's not as tricky as it sounds. Alright, so why think about an LLC for your online store? Well, picture this. You're selling fantastic products, but something goes wrong and you're suddenly facing a lawsuit. Without an LLC, your personal assets could be at risk. But with an LLC, your personal stuff like your home and savings are protected. Nice, right? Setting up an LLC also gives your store credibility. Customers see that you're serious about your business. Plus, having LLC in your business name can build trust and attract more buyers. Here's another big advantage. Forming an LLC helps protect your brand and online assets. In e-commerce, your store name, logo, and digital content are valuable intellectual property. Having an official business structure makes it easier to register trademarks, manage online payment gateways securely, and build partnerships with suppliers or marketplaces like Amazon and Shopify. It's the foundation for scaling your online brand safely and confidently. Now, you might be wondering, how do I get started? That's where we at legalregistration.com come in. We make the whole process super easy. You don't have to wade through tons of paperwork or spend hours trying to figure it all out. We've got your back. Let's break it down. First, you'll choose a unique name for your LLC. Make sure it stands out and reflects your store's vibe. Then, you'll need to file some paperwork with your state. This is where the magic happens and your business becomes official. But don't stress, we handle all that for you. Also, don't forget about an operating agreement. This is like your business's rule book. It sets the guidelines for how your LLC will run. Even if you're the only one in your business, it's a good idea to have one. It helps keep everything clear and organized. Think of taxes as your business's best friend when done right. An LLC offers flexibility in how you're taxed, which can save you money. Who doesn't love a good tax break? If you're not sure about the best tax option for your LLC, contact us at legalregistration.com and we'll help you figure it all out. It's as simple as that. With the right help, turning your online store into an LLC is a straightforward process. And legalregistration.com is here to make it happen for you. Just visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111 and let's get your business on the path to success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights. Thanks for watching.